trimming of the fence was just completed. I have 6 gallons of stain to apply to it. It's a pecan stain, so it'll lessen the redness of the redwood a little bit and show the grain a little more with a slightly darker color. It'll match the rest of the bell tower a little better, as we got some really great boards, and obviously they're heartwood, so the redwood is just vibrant and it is very red. So the stain will knock it back a little bit and it'll look fantastic on it. It'll blend in really nice with the natural tones that are going on here. So that's where it stands now. We got a couple little things to do, but there's an event in town this weekend, a spaghetti feed and the fall potluck in the park. And I'm glad the bell tower presents well for these events this weekend. I'll get the stain on in a week or two. The boards are gonna dry out nicely in the next 7 to 14 days.